Hi. So today we are going to look at negative numbers. Okay. So a lot of you probably have heard of negative numbers before, but I'm just going to do a wee quick demonstration just so that you've got a better visual idea of what we're talking about, because there's going to be some activities to do with negative numbers, and it's always easier if you can see it as well as kind of like follow the instructions. Okay. So very simply, you'll like my makeshift board here that I've made on the wall, and we're just going to start by drawing a basic number line, which you all know. So we've got our line, and usually when we're working on number lines, we would put the 0 at one end and then whatever number we're working towards at the end. So when we're looking at negative numbers, we're going to put this 0, going to pop it just in the middle. Okay, so any number that goes from 0 to the right of the number line is going to be a positive number, like 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Okay, so if you were looking for the number 10, you'd probably be about here. I don't want to draw on my wall, so I'm not going to. If you were looking for the number 50, you'd be looking at way down. Okay, so positive numbers are always to the right of the 0. So by thinking about it like that, we can work out that negative numbers, which are the opposite way, go the opposite direction. So if we've got 1 here, then we've got 0. The number that comes before 0 would be... That's weird, I was waiting on a response there, but obviously if I get a response, I'd be very worried because I'm the only person here. The number that comes before 0 is -1. And then the number that comes before that would be -2. And then it would be -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. So as you can see, the negative numbers, we go to the left of the 0. The positive numbers, we go to the right of the 0. Now, you might have heard negative numbers being referred to as minus numbers. It's the exact same thing, it's just a different word for it. Okay, so some examples of when you might have seen negative numbers, probably the most obvious one would be when we were looking at like thermometers. Because on a thermometer, you've got your temperature. I'm going to draw a very quick thermometer. Okay, and we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -4. On our thermometer, we've got 0 in the middle. So if it was here, we would say, oh, the temperature's 0 degrees Celsius. If it was up at here, we would say it was 3 degrees Celsius. If it was down here, we would say that was -3 degrees Celsius or -3 degrees Celsius. Okay, so have a wee think, maybe do a wee bit of research and find out other examples of when you might use negative numbers. Okay, so I'm going to upload some different activities, some examples from maybe like the TJ textbooks and some other activities. So have a go at those, and if you've got any questions, feel free to message me on Teams. Okay, thanks.